Dan and I met later in life and got married when I guess I was 39.
39. Mm-hmm.
And so we knew that we wanted to have a family immediately. And so we went, even before I was married, and had my hormones tested at my gynecologist, and my numbers were fine. And so as soon as we started to try, which was about 6 or 9 months after we were married, we went, and my numbers had decreased incredibly. And so she sent us to a fertility doctor, and she highly recommended Dr. Douglas.
As we found later on, while we were going to think about doing an IUI, I got tested too, and I did have some low numbers and stuff. So it was actually on both of us, on both of our parts. So when we did IVF, they actually recommended us doing
ICSI.
ICSI, it's a highly technical term, which means that it's just they assist the sperm in fertilizing the egg.
From the very beginning, he was, matter of fact, he was all about getting us pregnant, and I kind of appreciated that, that he was just all about the business.
They really stepped us through the whole process of how to get shots, and we really felt supported that any time that I was confused, I could call, and we could call and get information. So we kind of, we made a little, we actually took pictures of a lot of the shots and did day 1 and day 2 and day 3. So we have a neat little book to kind of go back and look at that says kind of all the different, because we had shots we did in the morning, shots we did at night, but we just kind of took pictures and kind of made it a little fun and a little bit more exciting than just, all right, let's get this done. I think the most challenging part has been just a shift in how your life is. It is a major shift, especially, going through and finding out we're going to have some issues and trying to conceive and trying to work through those naturally, and then saying, okay, well, we need help from someone. You really have to, because we both had issues, medical issues that were getting in the way, so you really had to kind of sometimes put your pride in the back seat and say, look, this is what we want to do, this is what we want to accomplish, this is how we're going to get there.
We did 1 round of IVF and conceived twins.
Yes.
And are fixing to go for another round. The sweetest memory is after the delivery, of course it was C-section, we go to this little room, and we knew that we were going to do some skin on skin and try and nurse, and so there were 2 of them, and Dan sitting with the one, you had Kirby, and I had Minnie, and just the skin on skin, and just that,
just to hold them,
and that everything was okay.
Yeah.